Hey guys, welcome to my first vlog. I'm testing out my new rig today. So I've got a Canon M6, a Rode Video Mic Go, and I'm testing it out. So we've come down to Bangsaen walking street market, which is near where I live, and I'm going to play around with the Canon M6 and get some time-lapse shots and play around with the drone hopefully, although it's a bit windy, so we might give that a go. Anyway, I hope you enjoy the vlog. Let's get into this video. Switch to the iPhone, so I'm sorry about the poor quality audio, but what I'm doing right now is I'm taking a time-lapse of the Canon M6 and the sunset over this night market, because usually it's quite spectacular, although it's rainy season in Thailand at the moment, so it's a bit cloudy, but even so the sky looks amazing down here no matter what the conditions are like. So hopefully it won't rain and we'll get a decent time lapse, which I'll include in this video. Anyway, enjoy. I'm going to play with the drone now and try and get some drone footage over this night market to show you. Bye guys, bye. Okay guys, well I've finished flying the drone and now I'm entering the walking street market in Bangsaen. I'll show you this market. Say hello, wife.
Hi.
My wife. It's her sister-in-law. And this is Bangsaen walking street market. So I managed to get some drone footage, but it was really windy and I was quite frightened. And although the Mavic Pro handles the wind quite well, it's particularly windy today. Of course, now that it's dark, it's died down again. But anyway, we're off to find some food in this walking street market. But I'll do a couple of sort of little shots of us going through it, so you can check it all out.
I see chicken dry yellow. Mean khao một cà. You want some?
No, I'm getting steak. My wife, much to my disgust, is buying durian. Now, if you don't live in Southeast Asia, you'll be forgiven for not knowing what this is. This is durian.
Yummy.
It tastes like it smells, and it smells really bad. Like, really bad. Like, uber bad. Seriously, if you could smell this right now, you'd understand what I mean. It stinks.
Darling, you go buy
Oh, see, she's now bribing me. You go buy beef, because you like beef.
Go buy beef.
Oh, look, my wife is so kind, she's giving me some money. Now, we're heading to something far more me. Not that you would guess or anything, I mean, who would think I like food? setting for dinner. Lots of food.
anything.
So after all that walking down the food section of the market, now we're sitting down to finally eat something. So, darling, how was your durian?
Really yummy and very
Smell a lot. I think she should put it in the bin.
go away.
So she told me to put my beef in the bin because I didn't finish it, and I'm merely suggesting the same thing. Go on. You don't need to take that home.
You want to try here?
There's lots of pop-up stores like this here, and I love how the fact that they all use VW vans. And they're really good brownies. Hi. What do you like about this market? Doing an interview. So what do you think about this market? You like it? Is it interesting? No, you're not really very interested, are you? Excuse me, sir. Can I interest you in freaking on? No? Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this vlog. This was my first, so please be kind. That was Bangsaen Walking Street Market. It's here every Friday and Saturday, without fail, come wind or rain. But get here early because the parking is utterly mental. Anyway, if you like this video, please hit subscribe. I make lots of videos around all things drone, photography, and I do the odd vlog. Anyway guys, thanks for watching. Stay safe, happy flying, take care, and goodbye.